Hey, what's up everyone? It's your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man here, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about myself. So, as you all know, I have some pretty amazing powers. I can climb walls, shoot webs, and I have super strength and agility. But what you might not know is that being a superhero isn't always easy. I have a lot of responsibility on my shoulders, and sometimes it can be really hard to balance my personal life with my superhero duties. But at the end of the day, I know that I'm making a difference in the world, and that's what keeps me going. I also have an amazing support system in my friends and family. They're always there for me when I need them, and I couldn't do what I do without them. But I think the most important thing about me is that I never give up. No matter how tough things get, I always find a way to keep fighting. And that's a message that I hope inspires all of you out there to do the same. So there you have it, folks. That's A.